Listen carefully. This 2012 and 2015, this conscious shift, the magnetic waves on the planet is changing very considerably. Without any fear, without any doubt, I can declare the magnetic waves effect. Because of that magnetic waves, the gravitation force coming down means the power of the earth pulling you down reduces. The reduction, please listen carefully. I am making a very important statement. The power earth has over you by pulling you to its core, towards its center, the power it had during 2012 is the level of Kali Yuga. The power it will have over you now in this Kumbh Mela will be level of Satya Yuga. Such big change. Now, this will have two impact on you. Suddenly you will feel a lot of thoughtlessness, lot of empty space. If you know this truth, you know you can use this space for completion and enlightenment. Best space and place to be. The best possible support from the nature. I can say literally the Mahamaya, Devi, is opening the doors of enlightenment to every human being. She is opening it to every human being. Even little bit of completion practice, little bit of completion will just push you into that very state of perpetual completion, the Sahaja Samadhi. If you don't know how to handle, please understand, I am not giving any prophecy. I am just telling straight what is going to happen. 2017 will be the most depressive year for planet Earth. People who don't know how to handle this cognitive shift, don't want to practice completion, or not heard about completion, not heard about Sahaja Samadhi, not interested in it, will not know how to handle that emptiness in them. They will start imagining it is a depression.